If you are wondering if we have Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy A37, then the answer is yes. We do have Android Auto on this phone, and if you want to set up your phone to be able to use it with your car, then we need to open settings, then proceed to connected devices, and then scroll down a little bit to find Android Auto over here. Next, we want to go to connect a vehicle, and you have the instruction that tells you that you need to use a USB cable and connect your phone onto your car with it. Of course, if your car supports wireless connection, then we should be able to choose connect using wireless Android Auto over here. And then we have additional instruction that we can use, but besides that, you can just simply tap on connect using Bluetooth, and then we can choose pair a vehicle in order to find your car on this list of available devices. So here you should be able to find your car, select it, and connect. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.